Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone numbers in the description box, please get those numbers and call those numbers every day. Blow those lines up. I know they're on recess right now, but they'll get the message. Also, you can call their local offices too. I don't have their numbers, but they should be easy to find. Y'all, the stimulus check that I'm always so optimistic about, $2,000 plus. I really still feel optimistic about it. I just feel like we're going to get it. It's this. The problem is waiting for it. I know some people, it's hard for them to wait because they're losing everything they've got. They're facing eviction. If they hadn't already been evicted, they've lost their jobs. They don't know where the next meal is coming from. I understand that, and my heart goes out to you. But we have to wait. We have no choice. We can't do nothing. Our hands are tied. President Trump talked to Fox Business News. He was asked if he supports another round of stimulus checks for the people. He said, "Yes, I do, but it has to be done properly." He also said he supports a larger number than the Democrats did in the CARES Act. This is a larger check for people. He said that he feels that they will come together on something with this. He also said he wants the money to get to the people faster and easier than it did last time. He said these will be good numbers and the people will be very happy with it. Let's see if the Senate ever gets back and gets to work. Y'all, this builds on my belief that we will get at least a $2,000 stimulus check. Other countries are doing it. They've been doing it ever since the beginning. The United States is the best country in the world, and we can't do it for our people. How would this look to other countries if we get a stimulus check, $2,000+ until this whole thing is over? And I'm going to say retroactive, but that's pushing it. I don't think that will happen. Be nice. I really believe we're going to get $2,000, maybe even $2,500. I really believe that. A lot of people in the comments, they say they don't care what I believe. Well, maybe you're in the wrong place. Now, a lot of people are going to be saying Donald Trump is answering these questions like this to help himself in the polls. I say, right now, who cares why he's doing it, why he's saying this, why he's pushing for a stimulus check? As long as it works, as long as we get the money we need, who cares why? I will also say, if you feel so strong against Donald Trump doing it this way, if they approve this stimulus check, don't cash yours, send it back. I, for one, need mine, and I will cash it, and I will say thank you very much. Y'all, 4.8 million new jobs in the jobs report. But we all know the last 2 weeks has been a big slowdown on kind of the reoccurrence of COVID virus. And this is not seen in this report. And how many of these jobs are not really full-time jobs? Full-time jobs is what's needed to support a family. Most of these jobs are 2 or 3 shifts. A lot less than what they was making before, and a lot less than what they was making on unemployment. So to me, that's not really a job. That's just something to do. So when you tell me we got all of these jobs, I will cut that number in half. Okay, some of y'all might know that I used to have my own restaurant. I graduated from 3 different culinary schools, and my dream was always to have my own restaurant. Well, I finally got my own restaurant. It was a lot harder than I thought, but I still loved it, and I wish I still had it. But I know it's hard enough to run a restaurant at 100% capacity. It's not the dollars that counts in a restaurant. It's the pennies. You have to watch every penny in a restaurant so you can make it. 25% business is not going to cut it in a restaurant. Yeah, restaurant owners and managers, people are going back to restaurants. They're trying to get these businesses open with the dream that they will work. I'm here to tell you, at 25%, it won't be long. These businesses will be closing down forever because there's no way they can make it on 25%. Y'all, I got this book. It's a Ronald Reagan book, The Wit and Wisdom of Ronald Reagan. It's just stuff that he said throughout his life and career. I've had it several years, and I still pick it up every now and then and read a couple of pages because it's a lot of funny stuff in here. Well, last night I picked it up and read a couple of pages. Well, I noticed on the back cover, it says, government can and must provide opportunity, not smother it. Foster productivity, not stifle it. Ronald Reagan said that. I wonder what would Ronald Reagan say about the way they're handling this in our country today. I wish he was still here. He could fix it. Y'all, I make these videos every morning. They go live at 6 a.m. I hope you come back every day and watch them. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave me your comments. And just know, we will get out of this thing with our heads up high. We will do it. I have faith in God that He will get us through this. Y'all, I love you all. Until tomorrow. Ciao.